Install ShortPoint on your SharePoint 2019 sites by following this quick tutorial. First, download the latest ShortPoint 2019 SPFx package. Fill out the trial request form and hit download once you are provided access to the latest release. Make sure to extract the contents of the zip file. Then upload ShortPoint to your SharePoint app catalog. Launch SharePoint 2019 Central Administration and navigate to SharePoint app catalog. Click New and select the ShortPoint SPFx package. Complete this step by deploying ShortPoint. You can now install ShortPoint on your site collection. Add ShortPoint to your site collection apps. Navigate to your site contents and select the option to install ShortPoint. On the ShortPoint dashboard, press Installation and Install. Now activate your ShortPoint license. Go to the ShortPoint dashboard, hit the licensing tile, and press Activate. That's it! Begin designing your intranet site pages in SharePoint 2019 using ShortPoint. Enjoy the most versatile intranet design experience with ShortPoint.